Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Neuvée Massager. First, ensure your device is fully charged, which typically takes about 3 to 4 hours for a complete charge. Before your first use, gently wipe down the massage heads with a soft, damp cloth to ensure hygiene. Always take a moment to review the user manual for specific safety instructions and warnings. Finally, find a comfortable and relaxed position to begin your soothing massage experience. Once charged, power on your Neuvée Massager by pressing and holding the main button for about 2 seconds. You will notice 3 distinct massage modes available, each designed for different needs. Cycle through them to find your preference. Adjust the intensity level using the plus and minus buttons, choosing from 5 different settings to personalize your comfort. Remember to apply gentle, consistent pressure to the area you wish to massage for optimal results. For effective relief, focus on major muscle groups such as your neck, lower back, and shoulders. Move the massager slowly and deliberately, using either circular or linear motions across the muscle. It is recommended to limit each individual massage session to between 15 and 20 minutes to prevent overstimulation. Always avoid using the device directly on bony areas, joints, or any open wounds to ensure your safety and comfort. After enjoying your massage, always remember to turn off and unplug the device from its power source. To maintain hygiene and prolong its lifespan, gently wipe down the massager with a soft, dry cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals. Store your Neuvée Massager in a cool, dry, and safe place, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. If you don't use it often, recharge the battery every 3 months to maintain its health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.